guys, and welcome back to my channel, Showcase Couture. And in today's video, I am doing a review on Eullair. The hair that I'm working with today is a 4x4 24-inch 180% density body wave blonde wig. Guys, I have been waiting for another 613 colored wig because I've been wanting to try this burgundy color, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. Okay, this is how this wig looks straight out of the package. It is so nice. Even when I was coloring it, I didn't really have any problems with tangling, shedding, nothing like that. Waiting for my camera to focus. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, it comes with an elastic band on the inside. It has adjustable straps. It has combs. It has everything you need for this wig to be 100% secure. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's nice and shiny, nice and bouncy. It's thick all the way down to the ends. And yeah, so let's get to coloring. So this is the container that I'm using. I use this container every single time that I'm doing any type of watercolor. These are the colors that I'm using. They're by Adore. It is number 71 Intense Red, as well as number 88, which is Magenta. And I'm going to mix both of these colors in at once in this warm water. This water is, I would say it's actually a little bit hotter than warm, but I'm going to go ahead and add these right into my water and mix them up. So now that my colors are mixed, I'm going to go ahead and add my wig. You guys, I would recommend that you guys always do a test strip. I had already done a test strip off camera, so yeah. But this is, you know, I'm just adding the wig to the water and just trying to make sure that all of the parts of the hair, you guys want to really make sure that that color is getting in all of the parts of the hair, because you don't want some hair to be blonde and others to be red. So you want to make sure that you're getting all parts of the wig completely saturated. Alright guys, this is the final look. I didn't straighten it or anything. I'm going to do a video with me actually installing the wig. So if you guys want to see how it looks installed, make sure you guys tune in to my next video, which is going to be me installing this wig. But guys, that is about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys learned something. And until next time, you guys, stay positive and be blessed.